Expansion exercise. I invite you to sit upright in your chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. And either close your eyes or fix them on a spot, whichever you prefer. And take a few slow, deep breaths and really notice your breath flowing in and out of your lungs. Now quickly scan your body from head to toe, starting at your scalp and moving downwards. And notice the sensations that you can feel in your head, your throat, neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, arms, hands, legs, and feet. Now zoom into the part of your body where you're feeling this emotion most intensely, and observe the feeling closely, as if you're a curious scientist who's never encountered anything like this before. Observe the sensation carefully. Let your thoughts come and go like passing cars, and keep your attention on the feeling. Notice where it starts and where it stops. Learn as much as you can about it. If you drew an outline around it, what shape would it have? Is it on the surface of the body or inside you, or both? How far inside does it go? Where is it most intense? Where is it weakest? If you drift off into your thoughts, as soon as you realize it, come back and focus on the sensation. Observe it curiously. How is it different in the center than around the edges? Is there any pulsation or vibration within it? Is it light or heavy, moving or still? What temperature is it? Are there hot spots or cold spots? Notice the different elements within it. Notice that it's not just one sensation, but sensations within sensations. As you're observing this emotion, breathe into it. Imagine your breath flowing in and around this feeling, breathing into it and around it. And as you're breathing into it, it's as if, in some magical way, all this space opens up inside you. You open up around this feeling. Make space for it, expand around it, however you make sense of that. Breathing into it and opening up around it. And see if you can just allow this emotion to be there. You don't have to like it or want it, just allow it. Just let it be. Observe it, breathe into it, open up around it, and allow it to be as it is. You may feel a strong urge to fight it or push it away. If so, just acknowledge that this is an urge and it's there without acting upon it. Just continue observing the sensation. Don't try to get rid of it or change it. If it changes by itself, that's okay. If it doesn't, that's also okay. Changing or getting rid of the emotion is not the goal. Your aim is to simply allow it and let it be there. So now imagine this feeling is an object. As an object, what shape does it have? Is it liquid, solid or gas? Is it moving or still? What colour is it? Transparent or opaque? If you could touch the surface, what would it feel like? Wet, dry, rough or smooth, hot or cold, soft or hard? Observe this object curiously, breathe into it, and open up around it. You don't have to like it or want it, just allow it, and notice that you are bigger than this object. No matter how big it gets, it can never be bigger than you. And finally, take one of your hands and place it on this part of your body. Imagine that this is a healing hand, the hand of a loving friend or parent, and feel the warmth flowing from your hand into your body. Not to get rid of the feeling, but to make room for it, to soften up and loosen up around it. And when you're ready, let your hand fall, once again breathing into the feeling and expanding around it. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.